Hi Pisces! This is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces gamit ang ating The Mystic Red Rose Oracle cards. Okay, so alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya. Ito, okay? So this is a timeless reading po. So kahit anong araw, buwan, taon mo to napanood. Basta tugma sa'yo, take lang. Okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi. And again, this is a timeless reading po. So, kahit anong araw, buwan, taon, mo to na panood. Basta tugma sa sitwasyon, take lang. Pag hindi, huwag pong ipilit, okay? And welcome po lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, ay pwede po sa feminine or masculine, okay? Pasensya na medyo may mga ano. Okay, so, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces? Soulmates, bottom of the deck, soulmates, soul connection, partnership, soul contract, life partner. Soulmate. So, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to? Mga gabay, mensahe po. There's a death. Relationship is over, no second chances. Grow and transform. What's dead is dead. Okay, so there is pwedeng konektado ito sa soulmate kanina, Pisces, or you will meet your soulmate after you deal with this past. Okay, kasi merong natigil, merong nahinto, merong break up, pwede pong ganun, or something like hindi na nagpatuloy. Basta merong natigil po. Okay, so there's something na natigil, and pwedeng ito ay meron connection sa soulmate kanina. Okay, so ano pa po? Girl with a snake, charm, or use enable boundaries. So pwedeng yan yung naging rason, Pisces, bakit parang natigil yung sitwasyon, connection nyo ng taong to. Pwede to sa lahat po. Pwede mapakaibigan, katrabaho, mapa-love life, mapa-family member, okay, na malapit sa buhay mo, malapit sa'yo, pero natigil or something like hindi napatuloy, okay, or parang pwedeng separation, okay, dahil pwedeng merong isa sa inyo or feeling mo na parang nagamit ka ng taong to, or you have to set some boundaries. Okay? You have to set some boundaries na hindi na maulit yung nangyari dati. Yung mga mali dati, hindi na yun mauulit. Okay? So, you should set some boundaries, Pisces, for you not to, to repeat the cycle. Kasi meron tayo ditong charmed or used. Okay? So, yeah, pwede merong mga sitwasyon na hindi ka nais-nais and natigil yun or yun yung naging rason, pero sa dalawang cards na nandito, ang ano dyan is parang you have to set some boundaries. Okay? You have to set some limitation, Pisces. Okay? So, ano pa po yung message? Tinatawag ako ng ating The Tarot card. Wait lang. Alamin natin kung ano yung advice. Pero gagamitin pa rin natin ito. Okay? So, ano po yung advice niyo po for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to? Queen of Wands. This is you, Pisces. Okay? Or this person finds you so attractive, or you are so attractive, Pisces. You are so hot. Okay? You are so type of a person. Pwede to sa masculine, kahit feminine yung nandito. Okay? Kahit anong gender man yan. So, you are like, parang hindi mo deserve yung ganun, Pisces, ano? You are something like, alam mo yun, yung parang, hindi mo deserve yung ganung klaseng treatment, yung ganung klaseng dahil lang sa gusto mo silang i-please, Pisces. And that's the reason kung bakit yun natigil, and you have to set some boundaries. Okay, you have to set some boundaries, Pisces. Hindi yung bigay lang ng bigay, gawa lang ng gawa. You have to take also, hindi lang yung give lang ng give, okay? So, pwede yun yung kailangan mong gawin, Pisces, and there is someone na returning There is someone na returning, magbabalik. Okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong 6 of Cups. This is a someone from past. Okay? Pwedeng childhood friend, past person, okay? Or kahit sino man, pwedeng ito siya. Ito, na this person, as I said kanina, finds you so attractive. Kasi Queen of Wands is a person na alam mo yun, napakaganda, attractive type of feminine, okay, or masculine, pwede din, na kumbaga hindi niya kayang ipigil because of your, especially sa physical, Pisces, okay, you are so attractive or attracted for this person, or this person is so attractive to you. But again, set some boundaries, okay? Set some boundaries, Pisces, para hindi na maulit yung nangyari. It's still up to you kung gusto mo pa rin makipag-connect sa taong to. But again, and again, you have to set some boundaries po. Okay? Yes, pwedeng nakaalitan mo to. Ito, ayan no, 5 of Wands. Pwedeng madalas kayong merong parang anong tawag nito? Parang disagreements, okay? Yung parang meron kang hindi gustong gawin pero gusto niya, meron siyang hindi niya gustong gawin pero gusto mo. Okay, may mga bottom of the deck, meron tayo ditong 3 wands. So, pwedeng you're dealing with someone of fire sign, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius po. Okay, and there's a communication. 8 of wands is a communication card. Okay, so ito yon. Pero, yung communication na iyon is merong connection pa rin sa 5 of Wands, which is disagreements or something like pag-aaway, conflict, okay? So, this person will try to contact you, Pisces, because this person still finds you so attractive, okay? Na parang, alam mo yun, parang nasasayangan siya, parang ganun, okay? And you don't deserve that kind of treatment, Pisces. This is you. Okay, kahit feminine yan, pwedeng lalaki yan or LGBT or babae, okay? Kahit ano po, kahit sino. Okay, but again, may magbabalik from the past, but you have to set some boundaries, okay? Kasi dito, maraming nangyari dito na pwedeng ito yon, okay, na parang nag-break up, hindi nag-usap, silent treatment, okay. So, yeah. It's still up to you, Pisces. Ikaw pa rin po yung magdedesisyon sa taong ito. Bottom of the deck is 8 of Wands. Mensahe. Okay? So, ano pa po? May message pa po ba kayo for Pisces? Sa taong dinidil niya? Pwede to sa lahat, Pisces, ano? Pwede. Basta dinidil mo siya, you're dealing with someone from the past po. Okay, so ano pa po? May message po ba? Ano pa yung posibleng mangyari for Pisces? May mga posibleng mangyayari pa po ba? Saglit lang, kuha tayo dito. The Keeper, the Fortune Telling card. Ano po yung mga posible pong mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito? Mga gabay mensahe po para kay Pisces. Ano ba? May message po ba para kay Pisces? Ayun. So, yes, message Pisces. Ayan o. May message Pisces, toil and labor official person. Pwedeng ito ay someone na katrabaho mo po, or boss, or manager, or supervisor. Kasi meron tayo dito pagtatrabaho, kitang-kita nyo yan, toil and labor, and nasundan siya ng official person. So, you're dealing with someone na parang naririnig ko yung word na admin, okay? Or pwedeng may mataas na antas sa trabaho po, and this person will try to contact you, okay? Or meron kayong pag-uusapan na it's either dahil dito or magiging ganito. Wag naman sana, okay? Na may conflict pa. Pero there is a message, I don't know what it is, Pisces, coming from official person po. Okay? So, may message pa po ba kayo for Pisces? Ayun. So, there's a main male. So, pwedeng ang makikipag-connect is ang male, masculine energy towards this Queen of Wands. Okay? Or pwedeng si Queen of Wands yung makikipag-connect kay main male. Kahit sino po iyan. Ano? Basta sa bottom of the reading natin dito is merong connecting, reuniting, message, okay? Na posible merong connection sa trabaho. Or pwede ding sa love. Pwede din sa friendship or kung sino man, okay? Basta set some boundaries, Pisces. Dapat panindigan mo kung ano yung side mo, yung gusto mo. Ito yung gusto ko, tapos pagkikinggan mo yung side niya, yung kung ano man yung gusto niya. Tapos, alam mo yun, yung parang compromise. Dapat. Okay? Bottom of the deck is bad health. This person is missing you or this person needs you. Okay? Pwede itong taong to is parang hindi ganun ka ano yung health niya, okay? Or kung hindi naman physical health, it is something like parang yun nga, parang kailangan, yun. Okay, so there's a message. It's either you're receiving some message, Pisces, or ikaw. Pwede po to vice versa po. Okay. Watching you, sunglasses looking, perception stalking. There is someone na stalking, Pisces. There is someone na nangi-stalk watching over you. O pwedeng ikaw po na nangi-stalk. Okay, so ano pa po? Message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito. Cupid's arrow, have faith, love is coming, surprise invitation. Pwedeng ito yung surprise, Pisces, which is the message right here. Okay, yeah. This person still looking at your social medias, Pisces. Okay, or kung saan ka man nagtatabaho, saan ka man nakatira. Okay, and meron tayo ditong separation. There's a missing you. Namimiss ka ng taong to. This person still have a lot of emotions towards you. Okay, thinking about you. And yeah, there's a rekindle, renew, okay, rekindle new face. So this person will try to communicate with you, Pisces, or ikaw will try to communicate to this person na medyo yun nga, yung in-explain ko kanina, Pisces, na nag-lead ito ng separation, death, and 5 of Wands. Okay, but there is someone still missing you, watching over you, stalking you, okay, and still have a passion or attraction towards you, Pisces. Or pwede pong vice versa, ikaw yung ganon. Okay, basta merong message na darating, Pisces. Bottom of the deck is mirroring each other. Pwedeng pareho kayo, mataas yung ego niyong dalawa. Kung hindi ka man pinapansin, hindi mo rin papansinin. Or ganun yung personality ng taong to. Pag hindi mo siya kinausap, hindi ka rin niya kakausapin. Or ikaw, Pisces, para pong ganon. Okay? Self-reflection, introspection, inner wound. So, there is still have an emotion. Pwedeng pareho kayo. Okay? So, again, ikaw pa rin po ang magde-decide, Pisces, kung ano yung decision or, you know, anong gagawin mo sa taong magbabalik dito, Pisces. Okay, so, yun po ang ating reading for, wait lang, kuha tayo ng mga initial random words, saglit lang. Kung ano yung konektado for Pisces. Sa araw na ito, meron tayo ditong R, G, K, there's a friend, pwedeng kaibigan mo to, Pisces. There's an anak, pwedeng may anak kayo, pwede po. Letter L. Okay, so, chat, text, tawag, ayan no, message. Tapos, mayaman, straight hair. Okay, so yun po ang ating reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Naway nag-resonate at naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!